Now, as you can see around me, this place is very, very clean. The facilities are very, very good, and the doctors and the nurses are really sweet, really kind. And namaste dosto. So you guys know that I had corona, and now there's one benefit of having had corona. I'm able to go and donate my plasma and help people in a critical condition here in Delhi. Plasma therapy is the best treatment we have at the moment to help really, really sick people. So the second I heard that the Delhi Chief Minister had started a plasma bank, I called them up and I registered myself to give plasma. It's a privilege to be able to give plasma and help other people, you know, serve other people. It's a privilege for me to be able to help my fellow Indians. Jai Hind. तो चलो हम ILBS अस्पताल जा रहे हैं और हम देखेंगे प्लाज्मा डोनेशन कैसे काम करता है. Namaste मेरे हिंदी बोलने वाले दोस्तों को. So I'm at Khan Market right now. This is probably the fanciest market in all of Delhi. It's where all the diplomats come. It's where the Indian politicians come and shop and hang out. But this is not my local hangout, okay? I never come here. We're just here on a one-off because I was coming this direction from my house in Rohini, coming down to donate this plasma all the way in South Delhi. And Manisha's here. She wants to get us a couple of pieces of jewelry or something. And I just want to show you the car that I came in. Check out our wagon R we're taking today. Possibly the cheapest, most banged up car in this entire car park. And this is the quintessential Indian car. This is the family drive around the city car. And if you have a wagon R, you are 110% Indian.
Turn left onto Prithviraj Road.
We've literally driven past Mahatma Gandhi's house, Indira Gandhi's house, near Narendra Modi's house. It's all blocked off that street. Past Nehru's house. We have done this incredible tour of Delhi right now. This central part of Delhi is like the most incredible part of India, I think. There's so much history here. So let's get to the hospital. So quiet in here. नमस्ते जी, कैसे?
ओ भाई अच्छा ठीक है.
हाँ, मैं हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ.
ग्रेट. कहाँ से आप? वेयर फ्रॉम?
न्यूजीलैंड.
न्यूजीलैंड.
हाँ, लेकिन अब मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ.
वर्क हियर ओनली?
नहीं, मैं मेरी पत्नी के साथ रहता हूँ.
दिल्ली.
जी. वो हिंदुस्तानी है.
What do you do?
I make YouTube videos.
Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. 'Cause when we're doing our thing, where the wheels won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it.
Hello sir.
Namaste ji.
Namaste. Welcome to Delhi Plasma Bank, sir.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
Amazing. I'm feeling really good. I'm so happy that I can help other people.
Oh,
That's good.
can you tell me your story about how did you get corona?
Yeah, so I went to the airport to pick up Mary Sali, and I must have got it from the airport.
Okay.
Just from visiting the airport, it came.
Okay.
So, and that's what happened.
What was the feeling at that time?
I had a headache. I lost my taste,
Okay.
and also I was just feeling really tired.
Okay.
Just these symptoms. Oh, and a little chest infection.
This is the chest infection. Cough was it?
Yeah, no cough.
No cough.
No, that was the strange thing. I thought a cough would come, but
Okay.
it didn't.
कैसा लगा ऐसा दिल्ली से आपको?
Delhi मेरा मनपसंद शहर है.
Okay.
I love Delhi. That's why I choose to live here, you know.
Okay.
And I love India.
Okay. What message you want to give to the patients who have recovered from corona?
Yeah, my message is please come and donate. You can help save other people's lives. And that is the greatest job you can do ever in your life. So please come and do good service to others.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Dhanyavad. Now, as you can see around me, this place is very clean. The facilities are very good, and the doctors and the nurses are really sweet, really kind, and they'll explain to you the process and what's going on. Also, yeah, being in here is a really nice and comfortable experience, really. You know, the needle's in there sucking out the blood and then pumping my blood back into me, but I can't feel anything, to be honest. So even if you have a fear of needles, you shouldn't worry too much, because you can't feel anything besides the needle pricking you at the beginning. I honestly thought it would be a lot worse. I thought it would be painful because I do have a slight fear of needles, but nah, I can't feel anything, and I hope this will help with my, you know, fear of needles doing this. Alright, so the plasma donation is all done now. It takes about 40 to 45 minutes. My plasma or blood was coming out way faster than the guy sitting next to me. His was taking a bit longer. We went in at the same time. And then afterwards, you get a sandwich and coconut water, just to make sure you're feeling okay. And you hang around for a bit, and then they give you a certificate signed by Kejriwal to say that you have, you know, thanks for donating plasma. And it feels really good to do it, actually. Feel like you're helping somebody. So you can donate if you've got a positive test and you've recovered, and it's been 2 weeks since you've recovered. So call 1031 and you can register yourself to come here and donate plasma. If you want plasma, call that same number, 1031, and they will hook you up with the plasma you need as long as you have a prescription. So yeah, it's very easy to come here and to give plasma, and the experience was much better than I expected. It was really world class, actually. That's what I would call it. All right, it's 3 hours later and I'm out of the hospital. And the Delhi government will pay for you. They'll pay for your transport to come here, or they'll reimburse you if you've taken your own car. Now, I don't want any of that. I've taken my own car. I'm like, no, I'll cover all the costs. I will never take money from the government. But the doctor is like, Carl, take the money and give it to a poor person, someone who needs it out on the street, okay? Don't not take it. So I've got the money. They give you 1,500 rupees just for taking your own car, which is way too much. It's seriously too much. When I got there and the guys gave me the money, I'm like, oh my God, it's 1,500? Jeez, ton of money. So yeah, I'll separate that up and I'll give it to a bunch of people on the street that I meet in the next, you know, couple of hours. That kind of stuff I never film, you know, like I won't film that. That's just, it's a bit weird when you see people like this stuff should be private donations and all this kind of stuff, but because it's government money, I would tell you exactly where it's going. It's not going into my pocket. I actually felt sick taking the money. I'm like, oh God, I thought it would be like a couple of hundred rupees, you know, not 1,500. Then I'm like, oh no, too much. Anyway, that's going to go back to the people of Delhi straight away. Chalo. That's it. I got to go meet my wife now. I got to pick her up in a Wagoner and yeah, do what we're going to do next. Jai Hind.